at how much leftover fireworks we have. Look, okay, I'll give you a tour. Here's some Magnum flashers. Got 3 of those. 4 parachute things. 1 pack of disco spinners, and then these are, let me read that real quick. Ground bloom. We have a couple of those. We have all these whistling things. And then we have 2 of these tank things that are right here. It goes this, and then fireworks come out. It's cool. And then we have this thing. This is tri-wheel, where it goes like so. You would put fireworks on it. It goes down, down, down. Or you just light it right here and it'll go. We have all these punks. Then we have a couple of jumping jacks. Okay. And we have this scrappy fireworks. Scrappy. Then we have some smoke bombs. Now, are you ready for the ultimate fireworks? Here we go. We have 4 Giganto black cats and 3 of these things. So yeah. Bye guys, this was Merrick. Bye-bye.